What's going on, YouTube? So we're back after a couple years. So the newest mod to the car, I figured we'll go over it just because I haven't seen too much of it on YouTube. So all of you guys know that I am on airlift, the car is bagged. So I decided to make the trunk look a little bit different. So I decided to put some wood floor in it. Some of you guys might not like it, some of you guys may like it, but just let me know what you guys think in the comments, what you guys think of the trunk, and then I'll go over everything that we did and how we were able to get it fitted perfectly. All right, guys, sorry for all the wind noise, but yeah, so I did wrap the tank. It's called Galaxy Black or Morpheus Black or one of those. It's from KPMF. So as far as the actual cuts that we did cut it exactly to the edge. I am gonna have to find a liner just to get rid of that gap right there. But yeah, we cut it all along. And then right here, we cut one of the boards just so that way it'll be a quick release. So I could just push this piece up and then lift back so that way I can get to everything underneath. So we did cut along everything. So for some of you guys that are following me on Instagram, you guys know that I have this flake on the front of the car in like a kind of Carnage design, and that kind of goes with the theme that I'm going with. So I ended up cutting Carnage out in that flake and putting it in the center, so it's kind of like subtle, but it looks cool at the same time when you start looking at it. I do have the one compressor right here. We'll be getting the second compressor, and I'm going to put it right here so it's more symmetrical. So one fix to that problem that I mentioned was taking the tank, replacing that board right there, and mounting the tank up top on that speaker deck right there, so it'll be upside down. But then again, I would have to figure out how I'm gonna move this to where it's clean, and I don't know, it's just a lot to think about right now. But yeah, this is the wood setup. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, whether you like it, whether you don't like it. What would you have changed? I am thinking about either wrapping or powder coating this. Not really sure yet, but if I do powder coat it, I will have to take this off and powder coat that just so it'll look good. So let me know what you guys think. So now as far as maintenance, I mean, it's just pretty basic stuff, you know, polish, pledge, wipe it down. I will say that one of the biggest cons to having this wood floor is like when we go do groceries, you know, having the bags or whatever the hell you want to put in your trunk sliding around could scratch up the wood, you know, could leave chips. But I mean, then again, that's why they have those wood paint pens, so that way you can just paint any scuffs or whatever. So I mean, it's the first time doing this. At least now I have a template for it, so if it does get messed up and I want to redo it, I can. So I think it looks pretty fucking awesome. Let me know what you guys think, whether you guys like it or hate it, what you guys would change, anything you would add to the trunk.